5 power tools that every household must have. Hammer drill. A versatile and essential tool for any household. It can be used for drilling holes, driving screws, and even mixing paint or other materials. Angle grinder. A powerful tool used for cutting, grinding, and polishing a variety of materials, including metal, stone, and concrete. Chop saw. A powerful cutting tool that can be used to make straight cuts through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. Vacuum cleaner. A versatile cleaning tool that removes dust and allergens while saving time and effort. Power pressure washer. A powerful tool that uses high-pressure water to clean a variety of surfaces and objects.